Hi streamers, today we'll show you how to create a linear vesting contract on Streamflow. Vesting contracts distribute tokens over time rather than in a single release, helping reduce sell pressure. Once you're logged into the Streamflow application, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Vesting. Once the page loads, click Create New in the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose the type of the vesting contract you want to create. Choose Linear and click Continue. In the configuration step, you'll have to set the details for your vesting. First, from the drop-down, choose the token that you want to vest. Next, you'll have to set the vesting duration, which is for how long the tokens will be vested. This duration can be set in anything between seconds and years. After that, you'll have to set the unlock schedule, which is how often the tokens will be unlocked, and can also be set anywhere between per second up to yearly. For vesting start date, you can keep the switch on, and that will start the contract immediately after creation, or you can also disable the switch and set the start date manually. Cliff allows you to unlock a specified percentage or amount of tokens immediately at the start date. Who can change the recipient is a preference that lets you choose who will have authority to update the recipient address after the contract is created. The options are only recipient, only sender, both, and neither. There are also 3 additional preference options. Cancelable allows you to decide whether you as a creator will be able to cancel the contract at some point after it is created. Keep in mind that canceling the contract after creation will send all the unlocked tokens to the recipient and return the ones that are still locked back to the sender. Enabling auto-claim means that recipients won't have to claim their allocations manually, but the tokens will instead automatically be sent to their wallet addresses on each unlock. List for sale option allows you to set the listing details while you're creating the contract, which will place it for sale immediately after the contract is created. At the bottom, there are advanced settings. There, you can find initial allocation. Initial allocation allows you to unlock a certain percentage or amount of tokens at any specified date before the contract start date. To do this, contract start date must be set in the future in order to enable the initial allocation option. After you've configured the vesting and its preferences, you can click Continue in the bottom right. Now, you have to add the recipients for the vesting. You can use Upload CSV if you're planning on having multiple recipients, or you can also add single or multiple recipients manually. While adding the recipient, you'll have to first configure the amount you're vesting, and then the wallet address which will receive the tokens once unlocked. You can choose the recipient from your address book, paste the address manually, or enable Use the Connected Wallet switch, which will set your connected wallet as a recipient. Contract, title, and recipient email addresses are optional, but can later help your team find contracts seamlessly through the vesting dashboard. Keep in mind that the contract title is publicly visible. After setting the recipients, you can click Continue in the bottom right corner, which will forward you to the review step. At the review step, you can see all the configuration details you've set in the previous steps. At the bottom, you can find the fee breakdown. There is no token fee at all. The service fees are 0.16 SOL fee for creation and a standard network fee, paid by the user when creating the vesting contract. Keep in mind that enabling auto-claim adds additional 0.25 SOL to the fees, as well as initial allocation adds 0.16 SOL. After reviewing all the details and checking the fee breakdown, you can click on Create Vesting in the bottom right corner, which will open your wallet for you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll see the pop-up that says that the contract has been created successfully. From there, you can share the vesting contract on X, create a new one, or view the details for the one just created. On the Details page, you see all the configurations set during the creation process, as well as the unlock graph and data. And that's it on how you can create a linear vesting contract on Streamflow. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.